What's going on, guys? So if you're looking for a portable monitor, whether you can use it for your desktop, your laptop, even if you're using a console for gaming, then you definitely want to look into a monitor like this. This is the Mukesh 15.6 portable monitor. This has a resolution of 1080p. It has a 3.5mm jack, dual speakers, a Type-C, a mini HDMI, and the best part about it, if I didn't say this already, it's portable. The fact that you can take it, fold it, put it in your backpack with your laptop, it takes almost no extra room. So like I said in the beginning, I absolutely love this monitor. I have been using this as an external display for my desktop, but I also use it as an external display for my MacBook Pro. Now those are two ways that you can use it. Now another way that you can actually use this is if you have a PlayStation or an Xbox or even a Nintendo Switch. Especially a Switch, the Switch comes with a 5-inch display, and you can actually use this monitor to actually play your game on a 15-inch display as opposed to your 5-inch display. And the fact that this thing is so small, slick, and portable that you can take it with you whether you're going somewhere with your Switch. Great for gaming. If you're one of those people who I go to these hotels, I travel a lot, and I want to take my console with me, but sometimes I cannot rely on a TV, whether it's at a hotel or maybe it's consumed by somebody else, this portable monitor is great for it. And again, this thing is so lightweight and small. It comes with a smart cover, so that way it's protected when you take it, say, with your laptop. So when you're using your laptop and use this for a secondary display, you can use a smart cover to keep it standing. So if you are that person who likes to travel a lot, then this is a must for your backpack. This is a must to take with you, especially if you're a creator, because a secondary screen with a laptop when you're on the go, it just makes you more productive. And if you're using a laptop with a Type-C connector inside of it, you can use the one Type-C cable to power this device. Now, if you are playing a game, whether it's a PlayStation, a Nintendo Switch, you can't use the device to power the monitor. You're gonna have to use an external device to power the monitor with the cable. But again, the trade-off is not that bad because of how small and portable this monitor is, because how many times us as individuals would want to travel somewhere with our consoles, but sometimes it's like we can't pack a TV or something with us. So my final thoughts and experience is this. I absolutely love this monitor. It does everything I want it to do, is just as a secondary display for my laptop, but also as an extra display for media consumption here on my desktop. I can use this for gaming, just absolutely love it. So if you are in the market for a monitor, I'll leave a link down below so that way you can get your hands on this one. And if you do have one of these monitors, let me know what your thoughts are on it and what do you use it for. But that's it for me, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Leave it a thumbs up if you did. And I will see you guys in the next video.